maintain the current viscosity. The flake distribution is perfect.
Confirmed. The finish is highly reflective.
Temperature curve is holding steady at 180 degrees.
Curing duration looks perfect, and we can finalize the batch.
Aligned precisely with the laser guide right there.
Panel gap confirmed. Mounting is secure.
Check the voltage stabilization on Sector 3.
It's holding steady. The calibration is complete.
Bring it down slowly, watch the clearance on the left. Looks good from here, lock it in.
Scan the pallet, Lydia.
I've checked the tension on A14. It's secure.
The manifest matches the count.
The audio is characterized by the sounds of an industrial factory yard. Prominent sounds include the loud hiss and whine of...
Check the spacing on row 3. It looks slightly off spec.
Confirmed. I'll update the manifest now.
The wind speed is fluctuating right at the limit. We should hold the next shipment for 30 minutes.
I agree. I'll notify staging and update the ETA.
Hold it there, a little to the left. Okay, drop it. Next stack goes to Bay 9, Grid C.
Look here, the alignment data is perfect. Confirmed.
The measurement tape shows it's accurate.
The shipment data confirms the cycle is complete.
All indicators are green. We are ready for the next cycle.
Final confirmation complete. We are good to go.
Acknowledged. Notifying production now.
The lanes are clear for the next shift.
Good. Make sure the staging area is ready for the incoming parts.
Staging area 4 is clear. Confirm the AGV paths are reset.
Checked. Inventory synchronization is complete.
Excellent. We are ready for the next cycle.
The current stock levels are sufficient, provided the next shipment arrives by Wednesday.
I've confirmed the delivery timing. The reorder validation is complete.
Schedule the preventive maintenance for the silver frame.
Confirmed. We'll run the diagnostics before the next shift.
Gap is exactly 2 millimeters.
Confirmed. All specs clear.
Software load complete. Verifying system response.
Checksum matches. Calibration successful on all modules.
The torque curve is holding steady above 7,000 RPMs.
Confirmed. The thermal imaging shows consistent heat distribution.
checks passed. Authorizing shutdown now.
Confirmed. Good work, team.